Hello, myself Samir. I have been working in SEDAC Hyderabad as project engineer. The major project I have completed here is the online assessment tool. Uh, Later on, I have created multiple smaller projects. I have contributed to other projects, and now I have built this deploy master tool. So this tool was created to resolve the deployment issues we are facing. Currently, we have multiple clients, and each client has the multiple servers. So, for example, if there is a client, there is a development server for that client. After that, we have staging server where the testing is going on, and after that, there is a production server. So, for these multiple servers and for these multiple clients, we need to create the builds for the UIs and the services. Currently, we have three UIs for assessment and four services for assessment actually. And then for the another application that is called as Make Shikshak, uh, that has 14 services and one UI. So there are lots of builds and we need to maintain that and we need to if there is any change we need to again make the changes in the URLs and then we need to build it. So to resolve this issue I came with an idea to automate this in a different way. So my way was to create a build that is stable, okay, that is stable and which can be used for all the clients. For example, if there are 100 clients, we can use that single build, but the difference will be the JSON data.json file that will have the URLs that build will use. So if there's one client named as CMIT, that client will have the same build that is being used by another client that's case. So these both clients are using the same build. I'm talking about a single event. Okay, so this same build will be served. And as I said, the data.json file will be different. So let's see the demo. Let me add a fresh new client here. So here I will add kicks again, and here it is. So this JSON is built now, and it is completely empty. So I will tell you what are these things. So this is the key clock credentials. Uh, like basically, it is the public credential actually. So it consists of the realm. It consists of the auth server and resource. So then we have the actual servers for authoring UI. This is the instructor sides UI. This is the learner sides UI, and this is admin sides UI. So these are the URLs being used by that particular UI. And then we have this waiting time and auto close. This is for that loading screen and the toast notification. So this is what we get to make this build run. So then the next step will be to edit that uh, JSON. So here, after clicking on edit button, we can provide any URL. For example, for now, if this is a staging server, let's make it as a staging. Then we can give this home page. So there is one instruction that is do not add slash at the end of the URLs. This is because the internally I just need to use this URL and then the slash and the rest endpoint will be added. So the homepage is this make one reservoirs.in. Then we have this logo that is also uh, residing at the same domain, and all those uh, URLs, like these are the services actually, so they are also using the same. Most of the times what happens, we have the in development server we have the ports, so we need to mention the ports also, but this is a staging server and we have configured it for public, so we don't need to allow multiple ports to public. The only port we can allow is this basic default 80 or 443. So uh, the there is an Intel mapping, that is another part. But let's move to the next part, that is uh, about this client's JSON updation. And sorry, in waiting time, we need to provide the time in milliseconds. This waiting time is basically the loading screen. There is one loading screen that takes a default time as the minimum time, and then we have this auto close that belongs to toast notification that comes after some certain operations are being performed, or the operation is completed. So it takes this 200 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds of time to close itself. Okay. Then we have the key clock. We have the actually ngel realm. Then we have this React client, and then we have this server URL. So key clock is also using this same URL here. After this, we just need to hit update, and the client is updated. That's it. Now you can see the name is Cakes Staging, and we can again see the JSON actually here. So here we have this JSON. It is completely updated. Okay, it is actually ready to use. So the next step is to just download it. So here there are two ways. So basically we can directly download the JSON. You can see here. It is downloaded as data-4. I think I have multiple files. So you can see, if you go and see the same JSON we are seeing here. Okay. The next part is instead of like downloading and then uploading, we can use this command. For Linux, we have this command, and for Windows, we have this command. So it will directly uh, fetch, it will generate the JSON, latest JSON, and it will then paste it inside your www folder. That's it. So, for example, let's see this demo also in Windows. Let's say we are in Windows, so copy this command and let's go to this path, because here we will be seeing this. I'm deleting the old file, and here in terminal, I think we need to use the terminal as administrator. Okay. After that, we just need to paste it, hit enter, and you can see here uh, that file is copied. So this is just a demo. Actually, it will be very helpful in production servers like in Linux. Okay, so yes, in JSON. So this is it, and I hope you got the idea. So then the next part is, of course, we can delete that client. We can again add new clients for the same client. We can have multiple uh, JSONs. We can basically do lots of things with this. We can automate more things. We can automate more UIs, even